Ever wonder what a patent really is? Well, it's actually a bargain. It's a deal between you, the inventor, and the general public. It's you giving up your invention, how to make and use your invention, in exchange for getting a limited monopoly to be the only player, the only individual that can exclude and prevent anyone else from making, using, or selling your invention. So it's a trade. That's what a patent is, between you and the public, you and the whole United States, or even the world. Your gift is your invention. You're sharing your knowledge, your expertise, and your solution for the problem that you found. And as a reward for being the first in the world to put it down on paper, to have invented it first, to show us how it's done, we give you that 20-year monopoly. Now, having that, right, having that certificate, that piece of paper on the wall, of course, right, is nice. And maybe from a more academic standpoint, it's, a nice little boost to your confidence, maybe a career move. But a patent should really be for commercial purposes. And what do I mean by that? I mean making money. I mean moving a product to market to sell it. Now, as an inventor, sometimes, right, and I've seen many of them, they're more technical, let's say, not so business-minded or salesy or marketing. And so their mindset is more inventing, more technical and analytical. And oftentimes, they're not the best salesmen and women. And so what you can do, instead of your own, having to transfer or change or learn new skills, is you can try to partner with someone else or start a company, right? Be the technical founder, the CTO, that partners with a much more gregarious, outgoing, salesy, marketing CEO. Now, the other way to go would be to say, look, I'm going to license or sell my rights. I'm going to give up my rights to another company that maybe is already making this type of product, and they can roll it into their product line. And you as the inventor will get a stream of royalties, money, a percentage of each product that sells, each unit that sells, or even a lump sum in exchange for a sale, transferring the rights of that patent to someone else. All of that is an opportunity and a potential for you as a reward for giving the world, giving the whole country, the public, the knowledge that you have gotten in your invention. Now, common misconception is using artificial intelligence to rely on the description. And I've got a new book coming out, Bold A Ideas, and I'm excited to share it with you. Big part of this is the storyline of a fictional character I've called Alex. So Alex is an inventor of a new type of light bulb. And as Alex found out in my book, relying on ChatGPT and any other type of online AI chat service to fully describe the invention, unfortunately, when it got down to the itty-bitty, details of the invention, it started to hallucinate. In other words, started to produce results that were not, in fact, practical, weren't in line with the laws of physics. And so, for example, with the light bulb, the driver and the thermal path were actually incorrectly described by AI. And so Alex had to go back in with the help of their patent attorney to properly describe the invention. So here's your call to action. Talk with a patent attorney. If you've got an invention, speak with someone here at Bold Patents. We'd be happy to help you see if you've got enough invention description to warrant moving forward to potentially get your patent granted. So if you have any questions, give us a call, book a free discovery call on our website at boldpatents.com. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.